We're on a mission to visit one of the most remote pubs in the country, in the Highlands of Scotland. This is going to involve one of the most scenic railway journeys in the world, up the west coast to Mallaig, and then a ferry across to the Knoydart Peninsula. First, an overnight in one most favouritist of cities, Glasgow. Well, for 67 quid a night, not a bad room. We've made a bit of a mess of it. The view out the window's not bad. This is Queen Street Station where it goes from. And looks like we're on time, 8:22. Well, this is our train. I think we're in the rear two carriages splits at Mallaig.
Oh, I'm headed to the mountains. I'll be back in a week or two. Don't you try to reach me, 'cause I won't pick up for you. I've got some things I need to do. Where the air is sweet and new. Don't you try to reach me, 'cause I don't want to talk to you. I've got some thinking to do. I'm trying to let go. I think it could help being alone. Don't you try to reach me while I pick myself up and go. I've got to do this on my own.
This is our room in the Western Isles Hotel. Check out the view. That's not bad, is it? This is our boat out to the world's most remote pub. sat outside the country's most remote pub. You can only get here by walking for 3 days across those mountains or by boat. And we came by boat. So, well, what a beautiful spot. I'll show you. That's the way home over there. It's the old forge at Knoydart.
Waves are crashing on the shore. Golden sands, I long for more. The salty breeze, a sweet embrace underneath the sun's warm grace. Oh, the ocean calls my name, dancing tides, forever the same. In the twilight where dreams are made, on this beach I'll never fade. Seagulls soar above the waves, lost in time, my heart it saves. Footprints washed away by night, in the moon's glow, everything feels right. Oh, the ocean calls my name, dancing tides, forever the same. In the twilight where dreams are